Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. I hope you all are fine and staying safe and happy. I am your science teacher, Ms. Farheen, and I welcome you all to your science class. So, my dear students, today we will start lecture number 4 of chapter number 2, microorganisms. But before that, let's quickly recap what we have done in the previous lecture. For that, you have to answer the questions. Quickly listen to the questions carefully, pause the video, and answer the questions. How many general groups of microorganisms are there? Very good. Can viruses survive by themselves? Excellent. So, my dear students, today all the students will be able to identify the main groups of microorganisms and give examples for each. So, we are discussing about the main groups of microorganisms. We have already discussed about virus. Today we will discuss about bacteria. So, in today's lesson, general group of microorganisms. Bacteria in specific will be discussed. We will discuss about the shapes of bacteria, round shape, rod shape, spiral and comma shape. So these are the different shapes of bacteria. जैसे हमने virus की different shapes के बारे में discuss किया था, where it is found, how it looks. We will also discuss about bacteria in the same way. So my dear students, bacteria looks like this. This is a rod shaped bacteria. इसकी और भी different shapes होती हैं. And let's move forward towards the pre-reading question. So what do you know about बैक्टीरिया? बैक्टीरिया के बारे में आप क्या जानते हैं? नाम आपने बहुत सुना होगा. It causes diseases. No, it not just only causes diseases. बहुत सारे बैक्टीरिया disease cause भी करते हैं, लेकिन not all of them. There are also some friendly bacteria. Some of them are present in yogurt. लेकिन हम उसके बारे में डिटेल से बाद में डिस्कस करेंगे. We will perform a separate experiment on yogurt making, that how bacteria is helpful in making yogurt, and yogurt is extremely good for our health. So my dear students, I swear by what you see and what you do not see. So Allah Ta'ala कुरान पाक में फरमा रहे हैं कि कसम है उन चीज़ों की जो तुम देख सकते हो और जो तुम नहीं भी देख सकते. तो अल्लाह ताला ने बेशुमार चीज़ें जो है बनाई हैं, इवन माइक्रो ऑर्गेनिजम्स. तो ये अल्लाह ताला की एक कुदरत है कि अल्लाह ताला ने कितनी छोटी सी चीज़ बनाई है, और कुछ जो है इनमें से इनके बहुत सारे एडवांटेजेस हैं और कुछ के डिसएडवांटेजेस भी हैं. So my dear students, now quickly open page number 23. We already discussed about the 3 types of microbes, virus, bacteria and fungi. हमने virus को already discuss कर लिया है. Today we will discuss about bacteria. So my dear students, now let's start with the reading. Bacteria. This is given on page number 23. These are unicellular organisms. They are neither plants nor animals. They are cosmopolitan in nature. That is, present in all types of habitat. Examples are Vibrio cholera, Mycobacterium, tuberculosis, Streptococcus, pneumonia, Helicobacter pylori. So my dear students, there are different types of bacteria which have different shapes, और इनके जो है वो मुख्तलिफ जो है तरीके से ये कुछ जो है ये disease cause करते हैं. Some of them are healthy. So my dear students, now look at the shapes of bacteria. Different bacteria have different shapes, like Vibrio cholera bacteria are comma shaped. Mycobacterium tuberculosis bacteria have a rod shape. Streptococcus pneumonia bacteria are round in shape. Other bacteria known as Helicobacter pylori have spiral shape. So these are the shapes of bacteria: round, rod, spiral and comma. So इन shapes में आपको bacteria जो है वो अगर आप उसको microscope के नीचे देखेंगे तो हमें कुछ जो है ये these are some of the shapes of bacteria which are present around us. So now let's have a look at the bacteria. Round bacteria. This is the round shaped bacteria. This is rod shaped bacteria. This is spiral shaped bacteria. And this is comma shaped bacteria. So 4 shapes जो है वो हमने study की है bacteria की. Now let's move forward towards the practice. So my dear students, how are bacteria different from viruses? Bacteria जो है ये viruses से कैसे different है? Bacteria are not plants, not animals. They are cosmopolitan in nature. They are found almost everywhere. In any habitat, they can survive. And they are unicellular. They are living even outside the cell. They don't need a living body to survive. And then what you need to do is draw the shapes of bacteria causing tuberculosis, pneumonia, and cholera. Label each shape properly. So my dear students, अभी हमने बहुत सारी shapes देखी हैं bacteria की. Even we had a look at the tuberculosis, pneumonia and cholera. आपको इन तीनों की shapes draw करनी है और उनको properly label भी करना है. Also color them, they will look very nice. So pause the video and complete the worksheet. I hope everybody has finished it, submit it to your teacher, and then we will move forward. So my dear students, for evaluation, listen to the questions very carefully and then answer the questions. Quickly tell me, why are bacteria cosmopolitan? Because they are present almost in any kind of habitat and they are not plants, not animals. Name some shapes of bacteria. Round, comma, and rod-shaped. Very good. So my dear students, now is the time to note down your homework. Quickly note down the homework. For homework, you will do section number D, question number 6 and 5 on page number 34. These 2 questions. Are viruses living or non-living? We have already done question number 5. We will do question number 6 only. Describe the shapes of bacteria. ठीक है, अभी हमने different shapes पढ़ी हैं bacteria की. Write down the name of each shape and then describe it how it looks. कौन से बैक्टीरिया में ये शेप जो है ये प्रेजेंट होती है. And then we will move forward towards make different shapes of bacteria using Play-Doh. Attach them on a disposable plate. Label each shape as well. So another homework that is given to you is कि आपको Play-Doh से जैसे आपने viruses के मॉडल बनाए थे, similarly make models of bacteria with the help of Play-Doh. Paste it on a disposable plate. Then cover it with a transparent sheet and present it in your class. So this will look very nice. Also label underneath it कि आपने कौन सा bacteria बनाया है, कौन सी shape you have tried to make. So my dear students, from here we will move forward. So my dear students, today what we have learned, today we learned that Mycobacterium tuberculosis bacteria have a rod shape. Bacteria are unicellular organisms. And in the next lecture, students will learn about the preparation of yogurt. So in the next lecture, we will perform an experiment. Today in this detail, we have discussed about different shapes and what is bacteria, how it looks. So my dear students, in next lecture, yogurt preparation hogi, experiment hoga. You will love this experiment. Keep everybody around you safe. Have a good day. Thank you so much and Allah Hafiz.